today we are discussing an interesting topic really which everybody want to know. Is CMA really tough? Quickly we will go through this video and you will get the answer to this question. So first, is really CMA tough? Yes, we all feel that CMA is tough because the pass percentage is very less. Nearly 5 to 10% students who write the exam pass, and that too they will pass at first attempt or second attempt, God knows. So really we will feel tough because of the lack of or less pass percentage. Syllabus, if we see, huge syllabus, right? Lot of content. We have to study accounting, costing, financial management, law, strategy, my God, operation, so much, right? Vast syllabus. So definitely we feel that it is tough. Sometimes what happens, those who take up this course start preparing for the course because they lack in preparation, they don't plan preparation well, they don't complete the preparation in time. So then because of the lack of preparation also we feel that it is tough. And last thing, many students join this course because of they will and wish, no. They join because of social status, social pressures. Family insists them, their relatives insist, their friends insist. They join because of some pressure. They are passionate about something else, but they join this course because somebody insisted them to. For them, I would suggest pursue your passion and do it with lot of energy and commitment. You will become successful. Don't just get into this course just because some others have suggested, right? Sanjeev Kapoor is a wonderful chef because he is passionate about it. Vivek Bindra is a wonderful motivational speaker because he is passionate about it. So pursue your passion, whatever it may be, you will be successful in that. Now, those who want to do CMA and feel it is tough, or those who have already entered into the course and feel it is tough, we will try to diagnose the problem. First thing, is it your strength or weakness? Your English communication. Try to complete CMA and you don't have good English communication, then you are doing a crime. Definitely, because you are not able to write the answers properly, because it will take lot of time to learn the subject, you will feel it is tough and it is difficult. So first thing, communication should be strong. Second, your memory. Some people are naturally having wonderful memory. They remember lot of things, but some people don't have. So there again it decides. Third important thing, subject knowledge. If your subject knowledge is good, your fundamentals in accounting, costing is good, then definitely you will feel convenient, otherwise difficult. And last thing, we have to understand that hard work and patience matters a lot. Really it turns the things, right? Even a weak student who has no knowledge, if he puts hard work and patience, he will become successful. Intelligent student with less hard work, less patience may not complete this course. This course is not for rankers, that rankers in 10th inter will do, others will not do. Many average students in 10th inter complete this CMA course, but rankers fail to do so because of the hard work and patience factor. So let us discuss all this in detail. First thing I said, communication matters a lot. Why communication? Hey, if you are able to talk well, write well, you will succeed in corporate as well as your exams. That's why try to build your legal English. Yes, commerce, business, finance related vocabulary try to build. Try to work on arranging the sentences properly. This will give a boost to your career whether you complete CMA or not. So that's why work hard on it. This should be your consistent effort. No one can become expert. And if you feel that my English is okay, then you are doing a mistake. There is nothing called as okay. Even today, great English speakers work on their English communication on a consistent basis. Even I am working on improving my English communication. So there is no fault in improving at your end. So work on improving your English communication and writing. Now, memory wise, some students have good memory, but please read at a time where you can memorize the most. Read at a time when you are active most. Right? Some students are active in the night, some are in the day, some are in some other times. Please find what time is best for you to prepare. Work at that time, you will do great. How to memorize? Memorizing, you can remember through stories, right? So whatever concept you read, arrange that into a story, definitely it would be you will be able to memorize it, remember it for long term. Feel that this is important and I will use it for long term, then definitely you will remember. Third important thing, you have to remember the things through acronyms. How? Some concepts. I teach some students in law the 7 principles of public life. What are they? Something like I'll tell you that you should have something called as selflessness, you should have integrity, you should have leadership skills, open-mindedness, objectivity, accountability, honesty. So many things I teach to the students. Now, for students to remember this would become difficult. But if I say, hey students, remember Shailu, what I said? Shailu. S for selflessness, H for honesty, I for integrity, L for leadership, O for openness, and O for objectivity. In between, A for accountability, right? SHAILOO. This way you have to remember the things. This makes it easy for you to remember. And I will tell you very importantly, in memory, repeat. Hey, there is no substitute to practice, and those who practice consistently will remember the things, right? Okay, sir. Wonderful. Now subject matter. Take classes for the subject, learn from expert. That is the best way to become good in subject. If you are doing self-study, read CMA textbook, read through it, definitely you will be able to understand. Some topics are not arranged well, so read Google articles on the same topics, you will get more practical insights and will understand the things easily. Sometimes you can even watch YouTube videos. Obviously, you can listen to my direct tax playlist, right, for direct tax lectures also. Sometimes what you can do is try to imagine yourself into the situation to understand the subject better. Sometimes you can do ask questions like why, when, where, which, how, what. So this way, when you write the questions and answer it, you will get full clarity about the subject. This way you have to try to learn the subject in the best possible way. Now, hard work and passion, no substitute. Hey, I have a visual disability. I completed CMA course. How I did? I can only learn through listening, but I was able to do because I put hard work. Certain fixed time on a consistent basis for 3 years I gave. From 9 to 6 I was to study. I did it. So you can. But consistency, hard work and patience is required to complete this course. And why it is easy, I will tell you now. Syllabus is restricted. Yes or no? They will not ask whatever they feel. They will ask from the particular textbook which the institute has given. Like foundation has 4 subjects. They have given 4 textbooks. Only from that they will ask. So thoroughly prepare that study material that you will be able to complete this course with success. Very important thing, the examination pattern. They are not asking new type of questions, new creative questions they are not asking. Reasonably same type of questions they are asking. So practice past exam questions, definitely things will become easy for you. Now, in the examination, don't practice in examination. Practice before the exam by writing mock tests, right? So when you write mock test, you will have exam type of practice. Yes or no? Sachin Tendulkar, after 10-20 years of experience in cricket batting, still he practices in the nets. Why can't we do so, right? We can also do, and definitely CMA will become easy for you and you will succeed. All the best for you. You will do great with your CMA career. We will meet in the next video. Till then, subscribe to the channel, like, and how did you feel this video? Just comment below and do watch the direct tax playlist so that you will have complete knowledge. It is a detailed revision video series. Share with your friends and your students who are studying with you. That will be helpful. It will motivate me. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.